to be destroyed. And speaking of recreations, we don't have a recreation here. This is the original set from the upcoming film Nope that I mentioned earlier. You can see Jupiter's Claim right there. When Nope opens in theaters July 22nd, this set will become a permanent fixture of the tour. So again, once that movie opens, the tour will start going through Jupiter's Claim. And as I said, that is the original set. It's not a recreation. Jordan Peele has been on hand since the beginning. When they were done filming in that set, they took it down meticulously so they could rebuild it here on the lot for the studio tour. Now, if they didn't have something like that, if they didn't have the time or budget for something that elaborate, especially like that destruction of War of the Worlds, all of that would be added in post-production with the help of a blue screen that we have in the back of Falls Lake on the other side of Jupiter's Claim. It's been used in movies like Dunkirk, Bumblebee, Top Gun Maverick. Another movie that used it, I've got a clip here for you. It's a movie called Sully.
Evacuate.